friends, welcome to Magic Mustache Math. I am Miss Cosmos and this is topic 11.3 homework on page 171 of your additional practice workbook. All right, so as always, I like to just do all the even numbered problems and then the assessment practice on the back. So 2, 4, and then 6. And then on the back, we're going to do 13 and 14. All right. So for number 2, 1/10 less than 5.8 is, we're looking at our tenths place. So we should have 5 point and then 1 less than 8 is 7. For number 4, 1/100th less than 4.0 is, and this is one of those tricky ones. We have a 0 here, and we are looking at the hundredths place. I'm going to have to borrow a tenth or a hundredth from my tenth, okay? So that's going to make it 4.7. And then we kind of pretend like this is a 10, and then we go 1 down from that, which is 9, okay? So 4.79 is 1/100th less. For number 6, write the numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending is going up. Descending is down. Ascending is up. Okay, so we have 4.75, 5.1, and 4.57. First thing I'm going to look at, my numbers to the left of the decimal point. Those are my whole numbers. I have 4, 5, 4. I know that my 4s are going to be first and my 5 is going to be last. So now I'm going to look at the next place to the right of the decimal. This is my tenths place. So I have a 5 and a 7. 5 is less than 7, so I'm going to write 4.57. I'm going to separate it with a comma, and then I'm going to write 4.75. Okay, and then 5.1 is my last number. For this set right here, I have 3.66, 4.6, and 3.63. First thing I look at is my whole numbers, or the number to the left of the decimal. I have 2 3s and a 4, so I know my 4 is going to put that as the last number. That's the greatest number. Next, I look to the number to the right in the tenths place. Both of them are 6, so these are both equal. Now I have to go to the hundredths place, and 6 is greater than 3, so this is going to be the least at 3.63, separate by a comma, 3.66, and then my greatest number is 4.6. Okay, right here in this set of numbers, we have a 2.9, 2.99, and 2.09. So a lot of these numbers are the same, but we are going to look at the number to the left of the decimal. That's my whole number. They are all 2s, so that's not going to help me. Now I look in my tenths place, and I have a 9, and a 0. My 0 is telling me that this number, 2.09, is the least. So this is going to go, this is my first number. Now I have to compare, because these are both 9s, I have to compare the hundredths place. I have to go one more place value over. And I have nothing here, which is like having a 0, and a 9 here. So this one, my 2.9, is going to be my middle number, and then my 2.99 is going to be the last or the greatest number. Flip over and we are looking at assessment practice number 13. Which number is 1/100th less than 3.20? And my hundredths place is right here with the 0. Now this is one of those tricky ones. I know that because this is a 0 and I want to go down, I'm going to have to borrow from my tens place. So my new number is going to be 3.1, and then I'm going to go 1 down from 10, which would be 9. So here it is, 3.19. For number 14, write less than, greater than, or equal in the circle comparing these two numbers. I have 8.34 and 8.4. So the first number I look at is my whole number, or the place to the left of the decimal. They are both 8s, so they are both the same. Now I'm going to look at the number to the right of the decimal in my tenths place. And I have a 3 and I have a 4. 3 is less than 4, so I'm going to use my less than symbol. 8.34 is less than 8.4. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me for Magic Mustache Math Homework. I will see you next time.